Hello everyone, welcome to New Different News today. Today's gonna be a lighter unboxing. See my Zippo right here. It's a yin yang Zippo. Alright, unboxing. Alright, ready? See, you see standard Zippo, everything, blah, blah, blah. Back of the box. Alright, okay, unboxing. It's like this. Alright, take it out. Okay, it has this stuff in it. Like that, see? Look for our new butane lighter! Viewing crap. Yeah, lighter! Alright. Alright then. There's that. On the back of the box also like this. And this lighter itself, right? Alright. This lighter, see, it's $22. Yes. Standard lighter like that. It's kind of hard to close and just get it. And and it's like, as you guys know, he's playing Dead Island. Ready? It's random Dead Island stuff. Why? As you guys know, if you've used Zippo Lighter before, since you open it, that click, listen to the click. See, hear that? This part of the lighter. Yeah. This part right here, like, clicks. So this part right now, it's not the fluid. As soon as you first get it, like, it has no fluid inside it, so you need to fill it with fluid. I'll show you how. Alright, you take it out from the box.
Absolutely.
Like this. And you just pull it out. You should slide it out like that. It's kind of hard for it to slide out. See? Nothing inside here. Just clear it so like that. Alright. Then now the box. Alright, it goes like this, just regular. Fluid out. Fluid not. Right here is the little place where you get your fluid inside, and like as soon as you open it, it goes like that. The fluid starts going out automatically. So as soon as you do that, it starts flowing basically, and it is windproof, right? Windproof stuff. You just slide it back into the box like so. Just take it. Slide it back in. Tight and snug. Like that. Yeah. And, yeah, very good. Very good lighter. Yeah. It's kind of hard to close. You just need to like get a little hard flick on it and like that. And yeah. So good lighter. Yeah, basically. Yeah. Good job. Alright, peace out, guys.